What would it be like to have a monthly surplus of $600? What would you do with it? Would you use it to pay your bills or put it toward your retirement or emergency fund? However you use it, having a regular stream of passive income boosts your financial security. It is definitely achievable to passively earn $600 a month. In today's video, we will learn how to do just that through dividend investing. If you need to add hundreds of dollars to your monthly income, stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. Let's start with a quick background about dividend investing and passive income before discussing the how in making $600 a month. Why is passive income important? For starters, passive income is making money work for you. Your money continues to grow even when you're asleep or on vacation. That's the beauty of it. We only have one body that gets weaker as we age, and it means our productivity declines as we get older. Also, we only have 24 hours a day. There's no way we can add one more hour to it. We can only do so much. We have to be wise and take advantage of passive income generating opportunities. First, passive income can significantly reduce the stress that comes from not having enough to cover all your expenses and the stress from all the what-ifs. Second, you won't rely so much on your paycheck. Third, it's easier for you to achieve your goals as you have more freedom to pursue your passions. Lastly, it improves your financial stability and quality of life. It is very important to have a stream of passive income. If you don't have it yet, you'd better start now. You can enjoy the present moment while securing your future. Now let's talk about dividend investing. There are many forms of investments, and investing in dividend stocks is one of them. A dividend is profit shared by the companies to their shareholders, but not all companies pay dividends. You have to buy stocks from dividend-paying companies. Typically, dividend payouts are done quarterly, but some companies pay dividends monthly or annually. Here's another term you need to learn: dividend yield. It is expressed in percentage, and it tells how much a company pays out in the form of dividends to its shareholders. To compute the dividend yield, you have to divide the annual dividend by the stock per share. Let's say Apple has an annual dividend of 94 cents. Then, its current stock price is $170.69. 94 cents is divided by $170.69, and your dividend yield is 0.55%. Now that you have learned all these terms, let's discuss the factors you need to consider to make $600 a month. The following questions will guide you to reach that target amount. 1. How much capital do you need? 2. How much should your annual investment and monthly contribution be? 3. Which stocks pay the highest dividend? Your first tip is to buy high-yield dividend stocks. A high dividend yield means more income with less capital required. A good dividend yield ranges between 4 to 6%. Let's look into some companies with a 4% or higher dividend yield and do the math so you can get an idea of how much your annual investment and monthly contribution should be. Knowing those two amounts, you can adjust your budget or find other sources of extra income to reach the target amount. 1. Enbridge. As of September 28, 2023, this Canadian natural gas transmission company has a dividend yield of 7.79% with a stock price of $33.54. This company focuses on the transportation of crude oil and liquid hydrocarbons in North America. With a 7.79% dividend yield, you need about $92,526 invested. That would net $7,200 in dividends every year, which is about $600 a month. 2. W.P. Carey. It is one of the largest real estate investment trust, or REIT companies, that leases real estate to companies long-term. Its current dividend yield is also 7.79% with a stock price of $54.68. With the same dividend yield as Enbridge, you need the same amount invested, which is $92,026 to receive $600 a month. 3. Rio Tinto Group. It is a leading global mining group that focuses on mining and processing iron ore, copper, diamonds, gold, and uranium. Its dividend yield as of September 28, 2023 is 6.43% with a stock price of $63.79. With that large dividend yield, you only need an investment of $112,000, and your monthly dividend would be right at $600. 4. Sachem Capital Corp. It is a real estate investment trust that focuses on first mortgage loans. It offers short-term mortgage loans to real estate investors for renovation, development, and improvement of properties. Its current dividend yield is a whopping 14.99%, the highest on the list, with a stock price of $3.51. With only an investment of $48,000, the annual dividend would be right at $7,200. Now it's time to pick which stock you should buy first. Let's say we choose the one with the highest dividend yield and the lowest stock price. In that case, it's Sachem Capital Corp. With only $3.51, you can already own a piece of that company. To earn $600 a month with a 14.99% dividend yield, you need about $48,000 invested. To get there in a year, you would have to invest $4,000 a month into the stock. The question is, do you have that spare cash for investment? The average American monthly income is roughly $6,000. If you use $4,000 from your paycheck for investment, the money left will only be $2,000. Is it enough to pay for your mortgage, utilities, food, and other fixed expenses? But don't be discouraged. You don't have to invest $4,000 right away. You can start small and grow from there. However, if you want to reach your target sooner, your initial capital should be bigger, the biggest amount you are comfortable investing. Then increase your investment every month. First, cut down your expenses to increase savings. If you are really serious about investing, you have to be willing to forgo your wants and other unnecessary expenses right now. Then the money you would have spent on those things can be added to your investment. What can you do without? Daily Starbucks coffee? Weekly shopping? Latest gadgets? Subscriptions? Cable TV? Sit down and evaluate the areas where you can reduce, or better yet, eliminate discretionary expenses. Share in the comments section below which ones you are going to sacrifice to secure your future through investing. Second, earn money on the side. You can pick up a side hustle or browse through the thousands of freelance jobs on Upwork or Fiverr. I am sure there are many opportunities you can use to monetize your talents and skills. Write down all the things you are interested in and you are good at. Then find a freelance job where you can use your skills to make extra income. Those earnings should be added to your monthly investment. Lastly, diversify your portfolio. Do not only buy just one stock. Instead, purchase different stocks to protect your investments from market volatility and prevent unnecessary losses. Buying an index fund like Vanguard's High Dividend Yield ETF will make diversifying across many companies and sectors automatic. Check out our video on high dividend index funds, where we go into much more detail about these stocks. Are there other tips you can add to the list? Feel free to share in the comments section. It's good to learn from one another and build wealth together as a community. Are you confident now to start investing in dividends? I hope you find this video valuable as you begin your investing journey. The start is always the hardest. Your fear of the unknown and the potential risks keep you from taking that life-changing first step towards financial freedom. If you let fear control you, it would be difficult, if not impossible, to materialize your financial goals. Invest now or regret later. It's your call. If you have questions about dividend investing and other financial-related topics, feel free to comment down below. If there is enough interest, we'll make a video about it in the future, so make sure to subscribe and get notified when we publish it. Thank you for tuning in and watching to the end of this video, and thank you for your constant support. See you in the next video.